baby. New age bad boys drive us crazy. Hats on their backs when the boys walk by, with that skateboard sack looking mohawk fly. And we just wanna show 'em all, but them tats so sexy I can't even blow 'em all. Now shawty say he wanna holler, so our first day was at the tattoo parlor.